Hello student, welcome back to maths class. We learn here decimals, their decimals addition we learn, subtraction also we learn, now multiplication also we learn. Now multiplication in their subtopic, multiplication of decimal by 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100, 1000. How to do the multiplication of decimal 10, 100, 1000? If you multiply by 10, that time you shift the decimal point one place to right side. See here 0.160 multiply by 10. That time what you do? Shift there one place, means 1.60. 1.60 means this point you shift there. This point shift one place. When you multiply by 10 means here is 1 0. Here is 1 0. So you multiply that 10. या फिर see here 0.160 multiply by 10. 10 zeros are 0, 10 6 are 60, 6 is carry, 10 ones are 10, plus 1 16, 10 zeros are 0, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1.600 means 1.60. All of you understand? Means here is 1 0, 10 have 1 0, so you shift there one place to right side. If you multiply by 100, see this one number also we multiply by 100. Shift there two place, shift point two place means 16.0. 16.0, understand? And then you multiply by 1000, shift point 3 place, shift point 3 place, 0.160,000, that time write 160.0 means 160. Understand? All of you understand how to do? Now open your textbook, page number 66. Write the product without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication means you don't do the multiply, use their shift decimal points. Shift decimal points rule. Okay, rules of shift of decimal points. 3.436 multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 means 1 0. Shift there this point 1 point means 34.36. 34.36. Next one 17.023 multiply by 10 means shift 1 point 170.23. 3.436 multiply by 100. Shift there two place 343.6. 17.023 multiplied by 100. 1702.3. Here also same. 3.436 multiplied by 1000. Shift there 3 place means 3436. 17.023 multiply by 1000 means 1000, 1, 2, 3. 0 means not their value, 0. 17,023. 17,023. C. G2I is your homework. G2I is your homework. Now, question number 2. Fill in the missing factor. Fill in the missing factor. 4.13 multiplied by dash dash is equal to 41.3. 41.3 means this decimal point shift to the 1 point. Shift to the 1 point means multiply by 10. Remember this one opposite. Shift 1 point. Now you multiply by 10. That time you shift 1 point. Here answers shift 1 point. Answer you got means multiply by 10. Shift 2 point. Decimal. Shift 2 decimal point. That time answer is there 100. And if you shift 3 decimal point, that time you multiply by 1000. Shift 4 point, you multiply by there 10,000. Understand? Now also see. 0.204. Shift there 2 point means 20.4. 2 point means multiply by 100. 4.13. Shift 2 points means multiply by 100. 0.204. Shift 1 point means multiply by 10. 4.13. Where is shift? 1, 2, 3. Then point means multiply by 1000. And point 4783. Answer is there 473. 478.3 means you shift there 3 point means multiply by 1000. All of you understand? Okay. Next one. Fill in the missing factor or product. Zero point 1 multiply by dash dash is equal to 10. Shift here 2 point. This is a 1 point and this is a second point. This is a first point and this is a second point. Means multiply by 100. 84.005. Shift there how many points? 2 points means multiply by 100. 0.1 100 you got their answer means you multiply by 1000 because of shift there 1, 2, 3 place means you want here 3 zeros. Understand? 0.08 multiply by dash dash is equal to 8 multiply by 100. 32.58 multiply by 1000 means you got their answer 32,580. 6.2 multiply by 1000 only 1 point. Now 6,200. Understand? 1.7 multiply by 100. 1 point shift, another point you want there 0, then 0.00. 7.0 multiply by 100. 700. Understand? I and J is your homework. I and J is your homework. Next one, solve this words problem. Try solve mentally. Solve mentally. 1 liter petrol cost 56.75. What is the cost of filling tank of truck capacity 100 liter? 56.75. What they want? What is the cost of filling tank of truck? And their capacity is 100 liter. 100. 56.75 multiplied by 100 means shift there 2 points. 5675. That is the answer. How many cost of their 100 liter petrol? 5675. One sack have contain 30.250 kilogram rice. What is the total weight of 1000 such a bag? 1 kg bag 30.250 kg. And what you want? 1000 sacks weight. There is 301 to 3. 30,250 kg weight is there. Understand? Next one. The cost of 1 kg of wheat is rupees 12.50. What is the cost of sack of wheat that weight is 100 kg? 12.50 multiplied by 100. 1250. All of you understand? What is the cost of sack of wheat that weight 100 kg? Rupees 1250. The length of one piece of skipping rope 2.58 meter. What is the total length of 1000 such a piece? 1000 such a piece. 2.58 meter multiply by 1000. 2580 meter. Understand? Even a bottle can hold 0.850 liter of oil. How many liters of oil can 1000 such a bottles? 0.850 multiply by 1000. Answer is 850. You solve the 850 liter answer coming there. Okay? All of you understand? Now here in decimal multiplication topic is completed. Okay? Thank you. And today's homework is page number 66 and 67 completed.